6. So let's see our chapter number 4, exercise 4.2. Here we have the first question, fill in the blanks, and question is like on a number line. So based on a number line we have to fill up all these blank spaces. To subtract 5 from 8, we move dash steps dash from 8. Now when we subtract any number, then we need to move towards left on the number line, and when we are adding, then we will move towards right on the number line. So here it is asked that while subtracting 5 from 8, we move 5 steps left from 8. While subtracting, move left, while adding, move right. Next one, to subtract minus 4 from 12. Now when we subtract negative number, then we will have to move towards positive side, that means towards the right. Remember, when we are subtracting positive number, this just like the number A, 5 is positive, so we will move towards left, that means we are moving towards the negative side. Again, when we are subtracting negative numbers, we will move towards right, so it will be like adding. Okay, now to subtract minus 4 from 12, we move 4 steps right from 12. Moving right means you are moving towards positive side, or it's same as addition, you are adding. Then number C, to add 7 to minus 9, we move 7 steps right from minus 9. So from minus 9 we will move 7 steps right. So on the number line you are at minus 9. Now you have to add 7 to it. While adding 7, that is a positive number that we have to add. So the position where we were is minus 9. Now we will have to move right, that will be 7 steps right. Next one, to add minus 3 to 6. Now this time we are adding a negative number to a positive number. Minus 3 to 6, we move 3 steps left from 6, because it's same as subtracting. You are at the position 6, so you are adding minus 3, means now you will have to move 3 steps towards left. Number E, to subtract 9 from 12, we move 9 steps left from 12. While subtracting 9 from 12, we will move 9 steps left from 12. Next one, to subtract minus 7 from 15, we move 7 steps right from 15, because we are subtracting negative number minus 7 from 15. Now when negative number you are subtracting, then it becomes positive, so you will have to move towards right, towards the positive side. Number C, to add 11 to minus 6, we move 11 steps right from minus 6. To add 11 to minus 6, we will move 11 steps right from minus 6. Next one, to add minus 8 to 12, we move 8 steps left from 12. Now question number 2, A, draw hops. Draw hops means you have to show the jumps. Hops, jumps or leaps is same. Draw hops on a number line to show the addition statement and find the sum. Now here 5 plus, this is 5 plus 8. So the number line, on the number line will have to show this addition 5 plus 8. You are at position 5, positive number 5. Then add 8. While adding, move right 8 steps right. So we will reach 13. Therefore 5 plus 8 gives us 13. Now the next one we have is again question number 2. Next one is question number 2, second part. Minus 2 plus minus 5. Again on the number line, minus 2 plus minus 5. So we are at a position of minus 2 and we have to add to that minus 5. Again negative. Already we had a negative number and add another negative to it. So you are at a position of minus 2. When you are adding another negative number to it, that means you will have to now move 5 steps towards left. So you will reach at minus 7. Therefore, minus 2 plus minus 7 gives us, minus 2 plus minus 5 gives us minus 7. Next one, question number 3. Find the sum of each of the following. Okay, we have to now act according to their signs. Solve them according to their signs. Now, 22 plus bracket plus 45. Now, 22 plus 45. When outside the bracket has plus sign and inner number inside the bracket also is plus, positive number. So, the plus into plus will be plus only. So, 22 plus 45 will be 67. When both the numbers are positive, so we'll have to add them. Then here minus 340 plus minus 236. Minus 340 plus minus 236. So when outside the bracket we have plus sign and inside the bracket we have minus sign. So when you leave the bracket, this plus will multiply with this minus sign. So plus into minus will be minus. So that is how minus 236 will come out of the bracket. It will be minus 236. So first one we have minus 340, another one we have minus 236. Now when both are negative numbers, so total of that will also be negative. So minus minus is plus, we will add them, but the sign will be negative since both of them are negative. In one negative, when you add the other negative, then the total result will also be negative. Next, number C, minus 23 and plus 34. So minus 23 plus 34. Now plus into plus is plus. So here minus 23 and plus 34, when one number is negative and the other number is positive, always we have to subtract. Here is negative, there is positive, so we will subtract. 34 minus 11, minus 23. 34 minus 23. So give us 11. But the sign of the bigger one comes with the answer, with the result. So with the result of these two, sign of the bigger one, and the bigger value that has positive sign, that's why 11 will be positive. Positive means no sign. So here we saw when one is negative, other is positive, we have to subtract always. Okay, whether this is positive and that is negative, or first one is negative and the second one is positive, in all these cases we'll have to subtract. If both are negative, we have to add them, but the sign will be of negative in the main answer. If both are positive, then also we will add them and the sign will be positive, means no sign in the answer. So this is how we have to do these questions. So try doing them. Thank you.